So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone that you have has a pink line going through it. So if you have a pink line going down this way or a horizontal pink line, there's a lot of things that can kind of, end up happening here for the most part. Now, number one, the first thing you're going to have to remember is that you're going to have to force restart your iPhone. So go through and you want to press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and then hold the side button until your app, iPhone restarts and the Apple logo comes up. So up, down, hold the side button, and you want to continue to hold the side button until the Apple logo comes up. What we're doing here is we're basically just going to go ahead and just restart our iPhone. That way, when it kind of just restarts, maybe it will end up fixing the problem. Maybe it was some glitch or something like that. And then I let go of the side button now. Lots of times, that's probably going to be one of those things that can end up fixing it. Now, if you recently dropped your iPhone or you threw your iPhone or some crazy thing happened to your iPhone, if it's a physical damage, that can also cause some problems there too. A restart is not going to fix that. A restart is only going to fix it if it's some sort of software glitch problem. Now, if you still see a pink line here when it's restarting, then that might mean there might be a bigger issue here. So the next thing we can probably do here is to try updating our iPhone. So open up the settings application of your iPhone like this, scroll down until you find your general settings, which is right over here, go and tap on it, and then click on software update, which is right over here. And then what you're going to want to do here is to try just software updating your iPhone. This is going to be another one of those things that I'd probably recommend kind of thinking about as well, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.